Today we're on the farm in beautiful central Otago. What an awesome day to be cooking outside. We're going to cook a scrumptious caramelised leek and mushroom pappardelle pasta featuring these delicious portobello mushrooms. First step is we have to slice these mushrooms. Now we sprinkle over the herbs and garlic and a healthy drizzle of olive oil. Give it a good toss. Slice up the leek. When the butter starts sizzling, go in with the leeks. So the key to this is just cooking it nice and gently, and when you're cooking them, all the natural sugars from the leeks are going to come out, making them nice and sweet, and that's how they caramelize. Next, I'm going to add this herb blend that my food bag makes up for you. Add in some white wine. Whew, look at that steam. And we're going to let that reduce down for a couple of minutes. Now this is a pretty cool trick. So I am going to add 2.5 cups of boiling water into here. Then I'm actually cooking the pasta in the sauce. So in all of that spinach goes. Right, look at these beautiful mushrooms. And I actually just added some walnuts in the last few minutes of roasting them. So to plate up, we've got this feta whip, which is just gonna add like a bit of creamy saltiness to the dish. We put our pasta on top, and then our mushrooms, and there you go. That's it. How simple and easy was that? Yum.